Hi, Banyan community. This is Mel, and I'm here with Effie, and we want to share with you what's really happening with this Sensual Somatics program that's happening, the intro class that's happening on April 7th. Now, a lot of people are really trying to figure out what somatics means, and is it a dance class? Is it a training? It's a lot of things, and so we're going to quickly ask three really important questions and Effie's going to give you more in depth, but we want to let you know the intro class is for you to come and experience. What you do not know is that Banyan is putting 10 people through Effie's proven program, a 4-week program around somatics that will also infuse movement, and she will be coaching you through this. 10 spots. After the intro class, anyone that is interested and committed, we will put an application out. You will send in the application if you are chosen. This is a $400 per person class, and you will be taking the class for free to help you further get closer to your goal, whether it's to heal from something or overcome or just explore what's going on within you. So Effie, what is somatics and how does it help someone heal?
Yeah, hi everyone. I know that somatics is kind of like this buzzing word now. It's kind of a newly trending thing. So yeah, the easiest way to really describe somatics is if you think of talk therapy as the neck up, right, of the mind, of the cognitive, of the rational, of the logic. Somatics really looks at the body, right, for information about ourselves, information that brings us closer to our healing. And we primarily work with the emotional body, sensational body, feeling body. Yeah. So, one of the things that's very true and that has been discovered with research is that the body never forgets. We store a lot of information in the body, especially a lot of past experiences. And so, another way you can really look at this is if you hear a car crash, right? What happens? Right? Or maybe it goes down. So the body is constantly reacting or responding, right? And so we use somatics as a tool to kind of just get into the body and really explore our conditioned patterns, behaviors, beliefs, and how that keeps us in connection or disconnection from the things that we truly value and the things that are important to us.
Right, fantastic.
Yeah.
And is this just a dance class?
No, so this is not a dance class. I am historically known as a dance instructor, and dance is what initially brought me to somatics because I got to witness the transformation and change that happens through the body with dance, especially intentional movement. But this is really guided and infused with somatic theory and somatic methodology to help us go deeper. So we do use dance as a vehicle and as a channel for expressing and for exploration, right? But the somatics is really where we kind of get more intentional and more aware of how it is that we express and what is it that we want to express, right? And so we really make that come alive through dance and through somatics.
Right. Or where residual trauma is hiding in tension and pain.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's definitely one of the ways that it shows up as well. And so with somatics, we can get more clear on kind of like how does that happen and what's the story behind that. Yeah,
And then what tools can I go forward with to help
absolutely. Yeah.
or remove those behaviors?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
dance is medicine. Dance is definitely
Absolutely.
medicine.
So what do you mean by sensual? Am I supposed to show up in fishnets and top hat and a
I
feather
mean,
boa?
if you want to, I'm not going to stop you. Yeah.
Can I show
So
up in sweats and sneakers?
absolutely, 100%. The sensual really means of the feminine, right? When I talk about the sensual, I speak of the feminine energy, of the feminine nature. And especially sensuality is something that is so precious and that is so vulnerable to us. And I find that, yeah, it's very vulnerable. So I like to, um, really highlight the sensual self and the sensual body and the sensual energy, and especially how we express and how we live in our sensuality. And I find that, at least for me, a lot of my stories become revealed when I take that sensual time with myself to really be intimate. So the movement that we're going to be doing is definitely going to be sensual and feminine, right? But it doesn't mean that we're going to be, you know,
Sexual.
sexual.
Right.
Yeah, it's more about, what is it like to touch yourself, and what is it like to release the neck, and is there something that's limiting that? Is there something limiting self-touch? Is there something limiting release and feminine sensual expression? Yeah.
Right.
um
Thank you. So this will be a contained small group. It will
yes,
be
intimate.
women only. It will be safe. There are guidelines and rules. Effie sets a really safe container for you to be vulnerable and to
Yeah,
explore
yeah,
and to be present within yourself. So I challenge everyone. Like I said, this is a on April 7th. It is the introduction. Then we will move into opening up applications, and then 10 people will be selected to do the 4-week program with Effie. This is at cost, typically $400 a person. And if you're selected, it will truly be just gifted to you from Banyan so you can get a step closer to your healing.
yeah.
If you have any further questions, please reach out to us. We look forward to seeing you on April 7th. Please take care. Thank you,
Really
Effie.
looking forward to it. Yeah, thank you so much, Melissa, and thank you to Banyan and this whole community. Hope to see you guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.